Struggling to make your writing clear and impactful? Meet Hemingway Editor, your new best friend for flawless writing. Enter your text or article into Editor. Instantly, you will get a detailed report highlighting complex sentences, spelling issues, and simpler alternatives. The tool's color-coded system makes it easy to spot areas that need improvement. Click on any highlighted sentence and hit Simplify it for me. Choose the suggested option and watch your writing improve instantly. Keep an eye out for highlighted words and phrases. Click on them to see suggested fixes for errors or wordiness. Hemingway Editor helps you tighten your prose and eliminate unnecessary clutter. Ready to make your paragraphs even better? Select a paragraph and choose options to change its tone, shorten it, or rephrase. This feature is perfect for tailoring your writing style to match your audience. Finally, once you are satisfied with your edits, click File, then Export. Choose your desired file type, and you are all set. Your polished, professional piece is ready to go. Transform your writing effortlessly with Hemingway Editor. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.